Hello, welcome to Bell CB. Today I did a Cobra 29LX with a Mosfet modification, and I put an echo right there in the Delta tune slot. Made his talkback a little louder, gave him a good tune up. This is for Rob in Michigan, and it's a tune-up report. Rob, on this watt meter, we got 10 watts across the top. See him coming in a good steady 5 right there. Now on this watt meter, 50 watt slug, be reading into the middle here, 20, 30, 35-ish. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check. Okay. Oh, you didn't hear it. Here, let's turn the talkback on. No, let's not do talkback. Let's do this radio up here. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. Okay, let's put it on the air.